As a manufacturing company, probably the first thing that you notice when you implement LobbyFox is the absence of the confusion that exists when visitors come to check in, like where's the clipboard and who can find Tom or Bob to do this tour, and does anyone know where they are? And so with LobbyFox, that's the first thing that you observe is this confusion is gone. Secondarily, compliance is one of the biggest words that they face. They're overseen by organizations like OSHA. They have entire divisions dedicated to safety compliance, regulatory compliances. So after visiting as many manufacturing facilities as we have at LobbyFox, we see a series of patterns and we understand your problems. What people need to see, what people need to sign off on, how people need to be instructed to operate through the facility. And these are records and documents that just absolutely cannot be lost, and there's huge consequences for losing them. What we did is we automated those patterns, and you can provide those records to a regulatory agency with a snap of a finger.
We created this software specifically for a manufacturing facility. It's not packed full of bloatware, full of features that you didn't ask for and you don't need. We're not reserving meeting spaces, we're not booking meeting rooms, we're not collaborating on team projects, because that's not what visitor management means to a manufacturing facility.
We also understand when you don't understand your problems, which happens. You know, a lot of times people don't take things serious until an accident happens. And our job is to avoid that at all costs, but if it does, to make sure that you've covered yourself. If you're gonna walk through a field of landmines, you don't need a doctor, you need someone that knows how to avoid landmines. LobbyFox is the only visitor management system that solves those extremely unique challenges that manufacturers face.